In this video, you will learn how to find a Higgsfield AI promo code. Visit the Higgsfield AI official channel. Check Higgsfield AI official social media pages and announcements for promo codes to use. Subscribe to their newsletter. Sign up for their email newsletter updates so you can receive promo codes directly into your email inbox. Join the community or forum. Participate in official user groups or forums where promo codes may be shared. Check promotions in the app. Look for the banner or notifications about special promo codes inside of Higgsfield AI dashboard. Follow influencers or partners. Watch creators or partners who may share exclusive codes with their audience. Apply the promo code at checkout. Enter the promo code during the billing or plan upgrade to redeem the offer. Now you know how to find Higgsfield AI promo code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.